everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna give you an after dark clean with me. I'm just gonna be cleaning my kitchen. We just had dinner as a family and everyone is already in their rooms. They're already settled in for the night, so I'm just gonna pick up real quick and I'm not gonna talk that much. I'm gonna play the music and let you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
You showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you.
At this time, I would like to say thank you to all my loyals, to all my ride or dies, to everyone that has been with me from day one. I would also like to welcome all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for all the likes, all the subscribe, all the comments, all the share. I appreciate each and every one of you guys to the moon and back. Thank you so much.
So before good, I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah.
And if this is your first time in my channel, if you have came across my channel, I would like to personally welcome you to my channel. I upload every Wednesday and every Saturdays, and sometimes I throw a bonus video in between. So yeah, if this is your first time here, welcome. I hope that by the end of the video you'll be persuaded to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my family. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I do upload. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Leave me a comment below. Let me know that you're a new subscriber. Let me know where you're from. I would love to interact with you guys.
Expect me to when I'm over you. Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never smile for you. we could really meet. Layers, it's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance, and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. Scary, it can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some, and I'm not like the other ones, no. Oh, we don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Oh, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance, and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. No, 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 we can do as we please. Oh, don't listen to them as they preach. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Yes, love